Hey, do you remember that old saying, cleanse, tone, moisturize? You do, right? But the real question is the cleansing part really necessary? Listen, with so many types of cleansers on the market, all suited for different skin types, it can be overwhelming to know what to look for in a good cleanser, understand how they work, and of course, how to use them properly. Well, in today's video, I'm going to be answering those questions, and of course, I'm going to be giving you a couple of clean beauty options for you to try. Hi, I'm Elaine Mertens from Beauty by Code, and I am here to help you find the code behind your skin. So welcome to my channel. Okay, first we need to settle a debate. Face washes and cleansers usually get confused for one another, but they are not the same thing. Okay, granted, they do happen to perform similar functions in terms of removing debris and residue from your skin, like dirt, sweat, oil, and of course, makeup. But how they clean your skin is what makes them different. So, face washes are water-based, which means they get pretty foamy right when you massage them into your skin. And they often come in the form of gels, foam bars, and even powders. And they work to reduce the production of your natural oils. So they can be quite astringent. The good thing is that along with its, foaming action, a face wash can really dig deep to clean out your pores and remove all that, build up from your natural oils. I will say that if you have oily skin, you're good. But if you have like normal, sensitive, or even dry skin, they may be too harsh for you. Probably if you have combo skin, you should be okay, but you have to try it out. On the other hand, you have face cleansers. And as we have established, they also cleanse your skin, right? Like they will clean your skin. But rather than drying out in, your skin, they will have a more thicker, richer, creamier texture that will leave you with a cool, hydrated, and, it will boost your moisture levels. They are also often formulated with gentle ingredients, right? So they are better to help you balancing your complexion and nourishing your skin. So when it comes to talking about whether it is necessary to use cleansers, well, let me ask you this. Should you wash your face every day? And of course, the answer is yes. If we don't want large clogged pores along with dull and tired skin, well, that it's going to erupt into pimples and, even acne, well, yes, you do need to get rid of those impurities and debris and the build-up from your everyday life. So yes, cleansing is necessary, okay? You need a cleanse, a purify, and a clean skin if you want a radiant complexion. But then you may ask, why not just, wash my face with soap and water? Okay, so what's the point of using a cleanser? Well, to answer this, we need to understand how cleansing products work. I will say that a normal pH for your skin is between 4.5 and 6.5. Whenever you cleanse your skin, okay, whether it's with water and soap or using a cleanser, there is some kind of interaction that happens right between your skin's pH, your moisture barrier, and the product that you are using. Soap, for the most part, is a pretty aggressive chemical. So you have to be careful when you are using it on your skin, right? Because soap usually contains a harsh surfactants. They will increase your skin's pH, and that may compromise your skin barrier. Obviously, these two things are not good for your skin's health, right? Like raising your pH and, using things that are too harsh may, your skin may become dry and even irritated. Cleansers, however, they are formulated to be more gentle, and they are effective. They work very well, but you are going to cause less disruption to your skin, and your pH is going to be basically unchanged. But unlike face washers or other astringent products, cleansers clean your skin very gently without stripping away too much of your natural oils. And they will not leave you with that. Do you remember those wash that leave your skin feeling tight? And yeah, sometimes they are just too aggressive for your face. You don't have that with a cleanser. So while cleanse, tone, moisturize might be a bit outdated these days, its premise still holds true. And that's why they say, one of the staples of a comprehensive skincare routine is a good cleanser. There are many, different types of cleansers, so it can be confusing for you to know, which one is the best for your unique skin type. So let's have a look at which type of cleansers work best with each skin type. For oil skin and acne prone, I will go for a gel or clay cleansers. They are a good option because they go deep into cleaning and exfoliating your skin. Some of them contain salicylic acid, which, when added along with ingredients like charcoal, for example, they will give you a clearer skin in as little, I would say, 2-3 days. Caudalie, you know that I love Caudalie. They have a Vinopure Pore Purifying Gel Cleanser. It's clean, it's vegan, it's very gentle, and it's a good option for oily skin. Okay, your oil and your sebum are reduced because there is salicylic acid. Inflammation is calmed thanks to the grape polyphenols, and it has grapeseed oil that will nourish your skin barrier. So this is a great option if you have oily skin, and you will not feel that your skin is being stripped out of their natural oils. You need some oil even if you have oily skin. Now, for dry or sensitive skin, look for cleansers with hyaluronic acid, glycerin, ceramides, and natural oils like jojoba or avocado oil. Cream oils, balm-based cleansers are good options for you. You can try Augustinus Butter, the cream cleansing gel. It's a cream-based cleanser. It's absolutely packed with hydrating, dermatologist-approved ingredients like aloe leaf juice, sunflower seed oil, and that will hydrate and moisture, lock in the moisture. Your skin will be even out, suited, and of course that will not strip away, your natural oils. Now, if you have combination skin, you need to know how you need the cleanser to perform with your own skin type, which is, oily in the T-section and drier on the sides. So I will say that look for cleansers that will clean your pores without drying your, your dry areas. Foam cleansers are great for combination skin because they are effective at, removing the excess oil. But they are lightweight and they are very agreeable to use. So I think that they're good for combination skin types. Philosophy Purity Made Simple Facial Cleanser should do the trick for you. Of course, it's paraben-free. It's a gentle formula. And again, it will not, you won't feel that tightness on your skin after washing your face. It's a powerful, effective cleanser. It will hydrate your skin, and honestly, it's just an all-around great cleanser. Lastly, if you are blessed with an unproblematic, normal, beautiful skin, you can go for a brightening jelly type of cleanser. That will work wonders for you. Ren Clean Skincare Perfect Canvas is a 3-phase gentle oil-based cleanser, and that will hydrate your skin, balance your skin. It's like a jelly formula that goes from to jelly to oil to milk. It will help you get rid of waterproof makeup and sunscreen. It has sunflower seed oil that will protect your moisture, your barrier, and it has also meadow foam seed oil and essential fatty acids, omega-3 and 6. Believe me, your skin will be restored and protected against free radicals, because it also has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. I mean, if you have normal skin and you don't have, any particular problems, give it a try. Okay, now ideally you should cleanse your face twice a day, right in the morning, because in the night your skin keeps producing oil and sebum. So do it at night to get rid of the makeup, and at morning to get rid of the natural oils. How? You know this, right? Clean hands, wet your face, use lukewarm water. It's better. Because, okay, so you wet your skin and this will allow to, spread the cleanser evenly. And all you have to do is avoid your eyes, your mouth, and do a gentle, you can do a good massage on your skin. And depending on the type of cleanser, you may need have to wait before you rinse it off. For instance, if you use a gel-based cleanser, you will have to massage it into your skin and wait for a couple of minutes before it's activated. So it depends on the cleanser you're using. When you're done, you rinse it off, you dry your skin. Don't use hot water because it can dry your skin. What I like to do is using like a clay mask. I will say 1 or twice a week, depending. The clay also depends on your skin type, but this is a good option for after cleansing to improve your skin's texture and really brighten up your complexion. Also, after cleansing, you can apply toner to remove that extra residue that the cleanser may have missed. So I have a video coming up on toners, but it's a good option. And if we want to keep our skin healthy, it's really important to apply moisturizer. This step is necessary to lock in hydration and moisturize your skin. What else? Do not forget to use sunscreen, especially in the morning. So you wash your face and you put some sunscreen. What I like doing is using a moisturizer with added some SPF. That's what works best for my type of skin, because I don't want to have like too many layers. But you do you. Now you can see why cleansing is considered the first step in a healthy skincare routine. But if you really, if you're ready to step up your game, go to my website beautybycode.com and take the quiz. You will find out which acid is best suited for your unique skin type. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for being here with me. I appreciate you. Leave a comment below and let me know who you are, what type of skin you have, and what type of cleanser you are using right now with your skin type. I'm always curious and I want to know who you are. Thank you for being here, and I talk to you soon. Bye for now.